Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to enable site search in Google Chrome. So you have to go to the Chrome browser first and then right here Chrome clone // flags. Then you have to press enter from your keyboard. Then you can see here the search bar. You have to write here site search. My browser is older version or newer version, that's why it's not finding or it's not uh, catch that thing. But if you are using older version of Google Chrome, it will show you here site search. If you write here site search, it will find here. Okay, after you can see the site search, you have to click on this drop down menu and click on enable to enable the site search. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.